Hi guys, so dumating na yung helmet na in-order ko galing DMV Bike Parts and Accessories. So unbox natin.
Nice.
You know, color gray. May extra pads. So magnetic lock na rin siya guys. So yun, twist nyo lang para matanggal. So you know, magnetic na siya. Yun. Yun naman yung sa yung foam niya, may extra pads. Bogi. Tapos weight niya is around 700 grams. Size large to. So may medium, may large din. Thank you DMV Bike Parts and Accessories. So may Facebook sila guys. Ilagay ko lang link sa baba para kung gusto niyo bumili. So message nyo lang si Sir MJ.